So right now I'm going to teach you how to use Gcash for those who are for those who doesn't know how to use it. So right now this is also a trial. I'm going to cash in a fund from my PayPal, but instead of having a peso, I'm going to try it into USD. So let's see if how much will it cost me, if there's any, or um, will are they going to charge me for free. So of course you have to make sure that you have a link to your PayPal account to your Gcash, and then afterwards if you already have linked it, for you to cash in is to open um, the app, logged in, and then select cash in. So there are a lot of ways for you to cash in funds. You have a lot of options, but right now I'm going to cash in through PayPal. So the option that we have to select is remittance. So after that one, click PayPal, and then since we are going to try this one out and how much is the USD rate of Gcash, because if you're going to check PayPal, basically the PayPal exchange rate is 51 pesos and 1729 cents. That is equal to $1. So I'm going to try and check Gcash. How much will it cost, or how much is the Gcash exchange rate, so that we can check which one is better to convert it directly to PayPal from USD to PHP, or we'll send or cash in amount or funds from PayPal um, directly USD, so that cash in amount from PayPal to Gcash, so that Gcash would um, convert it right away with their amount. So let's see how much will it cost. So it states here that the minimum amount required to proceed is 500 pesos in PHP, and if it's in US dollar, that should be $10. So I'm not going to cash in everything because we have to check how much will it cost. So right now let's try 10 US dollar. Oops. So let's see and cross fingers. It's still loading. So let's check how much it is. Oh, it's now 700. So I have received 511 and 73 cents. So let's check. I'm going to check in the browser right now if how much is the exchange rate of US dollars. So let's say I have $10, so I should have received something like 526 pesos and 4 centavos in Philippine peso. But since they are going to charge me, let's see, $10, if how much will it cost? That is 511 and 73. So basically it doesn't make sense because they have the same I think PayPal will automatically convert the fund into PHP be so that they can transfer it to Gcash in a Philippine currency, or you know. So I have the exchange rate of 511 and 73 cents, same thing in PayPal. So basically, it doesn't make sense. So I think it's, if you wanted to try it in your own, it's okay, but you can just um, convert it right away on your PayPal account, uh, and then cash in cash in that amount to your Gcash. So that would be all. If you have any questions or concerns about your Gcash account, feel free to ask me. I think somehow I have fully accessed the Gcash application, so I have learned a lot of things and explore the app. So if you have any concerns or questions, you can simply drop on my YouTube channel and ask me about it. By the way, I'm not paid to do this one. I'm just helping you out because I've been there and done that. Bye bye for now.